Aside from being good luck stone, Aventurine also attracts good energy for a happier life. Okay then, I better attract that energy. If not, I'm gonna sue Colourpop. Hi guys, my name is Opal, and if you just joined us for the first time, welcome. Come in. So today I have this, let's just call it a first impression Colourpop video, basically, because I ordered a whole lot of things from Colourpop. They deliver to Nigeria, in case you don't know. So yeah, a lot. This is just box one. I got 2 boxes. I ordered twice, so it came in 2 boxes. I'm trying on the Colourpop concealers for the first time, and I really love them. And then some of the lipsticks and lip liners I got. So basically that's what this. Oh, and the brows too are Colourpop. You see it anyway. So this brow pencil is actually pretty dope. I like it. I've had to turn this up like 3 times, which I'm not particularly happy about. See how easy it blended, like no struggle. Set my brows. So I'm doing that before I highlight the top. Man, this concealer is busting my brain. Hey, I got these 2 powders. They're actually meant to be a bronzer. The shades get acidy. So I'm using this one, the lighter one, to set the concealer. From the inside of me, set me on fire. Let's go ahead and moisturize my face with this. Colourpop has a priming spray, so I'm guessing it's supposed to prime. I'm still going to add my Holy Grail primer, Fenty Beauty, but then we're going to try this. Yeah, kind of massage it in. Just a tad bit. For you to be glorified, for you to be lifted high. Stars of the moment. It's looking a bit too red. Yeah, my perfect shade. So deep gold. Cannot contour me actually. You guys know I like my contour, especially for my cheeks, super intense. So just the other day, when something happens in my spirit, every time I say that name, it's not even settling into my, like, can you guys see? I don't know if you can, but that name is Jesus. Yeah, Jesus, 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 say the name Jesus, oh, Jesus. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with black Opal. I use a beauty blender because I don't have time to be doing powder long time. Actually, no, that's not the reason, sorry. The reason is that it sinks better into my skin. I had this Colourpop highlighter since 19 Bogboro. So it's like a rose goldish color. And then I have this one. This is way too light for me, so I'm not even going to bother. Yeah. Oh my god, not bad. This one is too subtle for my whole life, I swear. I just want to pour some highlighter on my face, and that's what I'm gonna do. Going with something that is kind of like they're of the same, you see? So they're rose goldish. Yeah, that's more like it. I'm gonna set my face. I'm going to set my face with this
is the Colourpop Aventurine, I hope I'm pronouncing it well, Crystal Setting Spray. Ugh, ew. It smells like cucumber. Ugh. Nah. Oh, right. Sorry. I should have read this. Contains real Aventurine. Is it Aventurine or Aventurine? Whatever the spelling is. Cucumber water, lemon extracts, honey cocoates. Derived from honey to give you a more matte looking finish. Yep. This is actually my fave, so we're going to start from there. This is like a nude gloss. You guys know I'm a glossy lip girl, so let me show you. Yeah, it's just like a brownish gloss. It's Colourpop and Sister Karuchi. So this is the first one. That's a combo of Colourpop, Kae lip liner and Fudg'd Lipgloss.
And if I'm ever in a situation and I might fall,
I'll line it with Brink. They're not like the same, but they should work.
down.
This looks ridiculous. Obviously, if I'm going to wear this, I won't wear it like this. What the hell? Okay, let's try. Kae and Contessa. Since I got it, I've been using it as a lip topper instead because it has shimmer. So once I'm going for a glossy lip, I use it as a lip topper. This one on my hand because okay, you know what, damn it, let's just do it. What? Wow.
Nothing can separate my heart from you. Nothing can separate my heart. Nothing can separate my heart.
So this is the second to the last color. This is actually a gloss and it's called Dropout, but because it's the same color as this, I don't want to have to wipe and then, so I'm just going to gloss up the lip I have on.
Nothing can separate my heart from you. Nothing can separate my heart. Nothing can separate my heart.
Mamacita, that is what we're using now. So this is this one, then the one in the middle is a glossy one, and then this one, the last one, is the Mamacita one. So kind of the same color. It's literally the exact same color I just removed.
You want my soul belongs to you, and nothing in this world would do. You make my dreams come true, and I can only think of you, yeah.
So guys, this is all on this video. I hope you guys like this video and let me know which of the lip choices are your favorites. And by the way, the concealers are just $6. My verdict is a huge thumbs up because I'm about to buy every shade. I only got like the shades that could work for like from a medium skin tone to like dark skin tone. But then I'm going to go and re-up, buy some more. I really love it. It hasn't caked my eye, under eye hasn't cracked. It's sitting pretty. I love it, and it blends well. If you're thinking of getting the concealer, I think you should. Trust me, you'd love it, and it's not so expensive like the high-end ones. It's pretty much high-end quality, but then it's cheaper because you guys know that Colourpop is not so expensive. Yeah, so I think you should. If you're building your kit, you can try buying like a few, maybe like 3 or 4, and then try it and see what you think before you buy some more. If you're in Nigeria, again, Colourpop delivers to Nigeria for free. If you buy over $70, you get your shipping for free. So that's that. If you guys really like this video, please let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my other video. Peace out, kisses. I love you. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, we reached 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I am super grateful, and I love you guys. Kisses. Oh, by the way, if you've tried the Colourpop concealers, let me know what you think below, and then if you're about to try it, let me know. So the lipsticks, I really love it. I think this is my favorite lip out of everything, and the first glossy one. So yeah, let me be going now before I keep rambling. I love you. Doozies. Peace out. Kisses. Ciao ciao dodo. Bye. Love. Do you suffer from diarrhea of the mouth?
You should put that in your video so they can know that you're a decompoler. Yeah, decompoler.
Sometimes. Oh, please keep quiet. Oh, I need a soundproof studio. Like, I can't wait. Thanks for 1,000. I'm done. I need to relocate to the abroad where there's no noise and people don't used to use their horns to make stupid noise like this.
Belongs to you and not